Nagsusulat si Mami. Sasabihin mo kung anong letter or number, okay? Oh, what number is this? What number? What number is this? 3. Ano number to? 3. How about this? What number is this? What number? 8. Yay! Very good. How about this? What number is this? What number? How about this? What letter is this? M says? Very good. How about this? What letter is this? S. Very good. How about this? What letter is this? W. W says? Very good. How about this? Oh, what letter is this? What letter? T says? Turtle. Very good. What about this? What letter is this? O. O. O says? Nang apatatus. Octopus? Sige na nga, pwede na yun. Wait mo lang si Mami. Oh, ito. Mahirap ito. Oh, what letter is this? Alam niya. R. R, very good. R says? Ano yung tunog ng R? Say R. Say R. Oh, ito. Anong letter to? Anong letter? Dito ka. J is for jump. Say J. J, tanod. Say J. Naggugulo na yung videohan natin, oh. Oh, ito. Makinig ka kay Mami. Hindi ka naman nakikinig eh. Anong letter to? Ayusin mo. Very good. Oh, ito. What letter is this? D says? Very good. Oh, ito naman. What letter is this? Anong letter to? Hindi mo naiintindihan? Yes, it's E. Oh, E. E says? Anong tunog ng E? Ay. Oh, ito naman. Ito yung ano mo. Pangalan mo. Ito na lang, nak. Ayusin mo, nak. Ay, kagaling na po. Manyad ng wali. Ay, kagaling na. O, anong letter to? Naiintindihan mo? Anong letter to? Oh. Say F.